Hi everyone, my name is Sunil. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. I am delighted to be here, and today I am here to correct your pronunciation mistake. I have opted quite a few words, and these words are commonly mispronounced. Whenever you pronounce these words, so you make a very silly mistake unwillingly. So today we are going to take an oath, we are going to correct our mistakes. So I'm here to help you, just bear with me. So I'm going to start with this word. So before I read it first, I want you to read it. I want you to pronounce. Alright, okay. So just give me the chance. So this word I have written, I'm pretty sure you must have mispronounced it earlier. So now you need to correct your mistake. This word should always be pronounced as, listen to me very carefully, employee. Yes, you got me right. Please read it, employee. So I'm going to write it for you. So it should be like this. So this is employee. You should always pronounce it employee. So what I understand by employee is used for workers. So whenever we talk about workers, so we can also say I'm an employee, you are an employee. So I hope you understood it. So next word that I'm going to talk about is, this is called iron. Yes, you should always pronounce it iron. Please repeat after me, iron. Let me write this for you. And somewhere it seems I'm going to pronounce a person's name. This is iron. So we use it for ironing our. So there we can use, and we should always say this iron. The next word that I have written here is, so please read it. Yes. Alright, so let me read this for you. This word should always be pronounced as privacy. What is this? Privacy. Yes, you heard it right. So I would also like to write this for you. So this one I have written is privacy. So this word is used when we do not want others' attention, when we want to stay alone. That's why we use privacy. So next one is, so what will you read it? What will you pronounce? Alright, so I would like to do the honor. So this is instead. Please do not pronounce it instead. You should always pronounce it instead. Did you get it? Alright. So let's move on to another one. I would also like to write this for you. So you should write. This is instead. So what I understand by instead is, this is apart from. So far so good. I would like to read it for you. First one I have written is employee. Second one I have written iron. The third word is privacy. And the fourth one is instead. So आपको जब भी ये words देखने को मिलेंगे या यूज करेंगे आप, so आपको क्या करना है, खुद तो करेक्ट करना ही अपने आप को, और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी करेक्ट करना है आपको. सो जब भी आप अपने फ्रेंड्स या अपने घर पर हो, मोस्टली क्या होता है, चैरिटी बिगिंस होम. सो आपको घर से करेक्ट करना है इसको. अपने फैमिली मेंबर्स को करेक्ट कर सकते हैं आप, अपने सिबलिंग्स को या फिर अपने आप पेरेंट्स को करेक्ट कर सकते हैं. सो आपको इसको एम्प्लॉय पढ़ना है, इसको पढ़ना है आपको आयन, इस वाले वर्ड को पढ़ना है आपको प्रीवियसली, और इस वाले को पढ़ना है इंस्टेड. सो नाउ it is about the fifth one, and this word is pronounced as vegan. So what is this? This is vegan, and I hope you know this. Vegan. You just need to pronounce it as vegan. And this word is used where we do not eat any products related to animals. So I hope you also understood it. So next one is, what is this? Can you read it for me? Alright, I would like to read it. This is pronounced as, or this is called as oven. Whenever we call somebody, what do we say? हम उसको यही बोलते हैं oven. आवन जावन में याद रखना, तो उसके लिए ऐसे याद कर सकते हैं इसको कैसे याद कर सकते हैं, अवन। जब भी मैं आवन जावन करता हूँ तो क्या यूज करता हूँ, अपना अवन। सो इट इज अ सॉर्ट ऑफ स्टोव। सो इसको कैसे याद कर सकते हैं, हम इसको ऐसे याद रख सकते हैं, सो इट इज oven. The next one is, this word is an important part of our life. The day always starts with our first meal. Without it, I always feel hungry. So I always have my breakfast on time. So yes, this word should always be pronounced as breakfast. So let me write this for you. So how I have associated this word with myself, and how do I remember this word? So I still remember one of the greatest presidents, that was Mr. Obama. So I have connected this word with Obama. So I always say I want to have my breakfast with Mr. Obama. So I hope you also got it. The first meal. So last of all, I have written, so every weekend we need it. We always go for a party. Whenever we have a party, we always eat it. So this word is also very important in our day-to-day life. So this word should always be pronounced as, what are you going to pronounce? Alright, I would like to make it easy for you. So this word should always be pronounced as pizza. Yes, you got it right. This is called pit and then za. Pizza. Pizza. So before it ends, I would like to read it for you. So I would like to start it from here. So this one is pizza. Here I have written break and then first. This is oven. जब भी हम आवन जावन में यूज करते हैं तो उसके लिए oven यूज करना है. इसको आपको हमेशा से vegan पढ़ना है. और ये वाला है आपका instead. इस वाले को आपको previously पढ़ना है. इसको पढ़ना है आपको आयरन. किसी का नाम हो सकता है, बोल देते नॉर्मली आयरन कहाँ गया. सो ये हमारा आयरन नहीं है, ये है हमारा आयरन. ये वाला वर्ड आपको हमेशा से दिमाग में रखना है और इसको पढ़ना है आपको एम्प्लॉई. सो आई होप माई मैसेज इज डिलीवर्ड एंड यू आर गोइंग टू लाइक दिस.